How to hang it. Here's a look at how to hang single and multiple piece clothing items. You will need your cardstock tags, hangers, safety pins, and tape. Check closely. Clothing must be stain-free. Clip any loose threads, look for holes, rips, or tears. Everything must be snapped, buttoned, or zipped up. Make sure it all works. Stick with me just a few more things. Clothing sets. Pin both items around the hanger to keep it secure. For strappy items, pin through the strap into the top of the hanger. Remember, make sure your hanger looks like a question mark and your tag is on the upper right. Clothes that look new and smell nice sell better. A little ironing goes a long way, or let your dryer take some wrinkles out. And now you know how to hang it.